all the people who love Yash Uncle, all the people who have been closely associated with the family. Just like to say that Yash Uncle, we'll miss you.
अभी महान डायरेक्टर की बात कर रहा था, नेपथ्य से एक डायरेक्टर ने और कहा आदित्य चोपड़ा को कैसे भूल सकता है, और जबकि मैंने बाकी कुछ नाम लिया, रानी चोपड़ा का भी नाम लिया, तो जाहिर है कि आदित्य चोपड़ा का।
Rani Mukherjee, Parineeti Chopra, Pamela Chopra and others attended the unveiling of late legendary filmmaker Yash Chopra's statue at YRF Studios in Mumbai. The statue will be later located at the UTV Stars Walk of the Stars. Have a look.
I have no words left actually. I've said it all beforehand, but I'm really happy that UTV is doing this, and it's the mark of the man that he achieved so much, and starting with almost nothing except blessings and dreams. And he has achieved so much that today there's going to be a statue of him which is going to be placed at a site where people can see and admire it and touch it and be framed with him. So that makes me very, very happy.
Well, it's just that before this, he's always been remembered through pictures, and seeing him live, physically, I think is different. Like I think you said earlier that now people would be able to touch him and feel him. Before that, I think only we could do that. So I guess it's time everybody else can share in that. The only thing I would say is that it's interesting that such an animated person is now so still here. But that's part of it. Bringing such honor to Dad and to all of us here at Yash Raj. Thank you so much.
Uday, how did you picture it? Did you picture it differently? We have a camera there. How do you think?
No, I think this is the way he should be remembered. So I think it's perfect.
With the camera. Perfect. Yeah. Thank you.
And with his hat.
Yeah.
All the people who love Yash Uncle, all the people who have been closely associated with the family. Just like to say that Yash Uncle, we'll miss you.
It's fine, it's fine. Thank you so much.
आदरणीय यश जी बहुत ही खुली किताब रहे, और उनके बारे में ज़्यादा कुछ कहना खुले पन्नों के बारे में ठीक नहीं होगा, आपको सबको पता है। लेकिन आज के इस दिन हिंदुस्तानी या हिंदी फिल्मों के महारथी यश चोपड़ा जी, जिनका हिंदी, उर्दू और पंजाबी के मामले में बहुमूल्य या अतुल्य योगदान रहा है, ऐसे यश जी की प्रतिमूर्ति के अनावरण पे अगर हिंदी में ही बात की जाए या हिंदी की प्रमुखता हो, तो मैं समझता हूँ बेहतर या सच्ची श्रद्धांजलि होगी। मैं यश जी के साथ ज़्यादा काम करने का मौका नहीं मिला, मुझे यश जी से कोई ब्रेक भी नहीं मिला, लेकिन यश जी के परिवार से हमारी बहुत घनिष्ठता रही, और इनके तमाम चाहने वाले, इनके तमाम अपने लोग, चाहे शाहरुख खान हो, कि अमिताभ बच्चन हो, या टेक्नीशियंस हों, कलाकार हों, वो सब हमारे बहुत करीब रहे, या हम उनके बहुत करीब रहे। मुझे लग रहा है अपने परिवार के किसी मुखिया के बारे में मुझे वो भी बगैर तैयारी के कहने का मौका मिला है, तो इतना ही कहना चाहूँगा कि मैं तो इंस्टीट्यूट से आया, एक किताब बना, अध्याय बना या इतिहास बना, लेकिन यश चोपड़ा जी बगैर किसी इंस्टीट्यूट गए हुए एक इंस्टीट्यूशन बनकर उभरे, ऐसे यश चोपड़ा मैं समझता हूँ आखिरी मुगल अमंग डायरेक्टर्स कहे जाएंगे और माने जाएंगे। यश जी जाते जाते तो ज़रूर कह के गए कि बड़े शौक़ से सुन रहा था ज़माना, हम ही सो गए दास्तां कहते कहते। लेकिन आज यश चोपड़ा जी के बारे में संक्षेप में कहा जाए तो इन पंक्तियों से सार्थक हो सकती है बात, हजारों साल नरगिस अपनी बेनूरी पे रोती है, बड़ी मुश्किल से होता है चमन में दीदा भर पैदा। आज उनकी मूर्ति के या प्रतिमूर्ति के अनावरण पे यश चोपड़ा जी, उनके परिवार, विशेषकर श्रीमती पैम चोपड़ा जी, उदय चोपड़ा जी, बाकी तमाम उनके बच्चों को, रिश्तेदारों को, परिणीति चोपड़ा हो, चाहे रानी हो, आदित्य का नाम बाद में लेने वाला। ये देखिए, इसे कहते हैं बैकग्राउंड से डायरेक्शन। अभी महान डायरेक्टर की बात कर रहा था, नेपथ्य से एक डायरेक्टर ने और कहा आदित्य चोपड़ा को कैसे भूल सकता है, और जबकि मैंने बाकी कुछ नाम लिया, रानी चोपड़ा का भी नाम लिया, तो जाहिर है कि आदित्य चोपड़ा का नाम लेता। बहरहाल मैं आज की इस घड़ी में आप तमाम लोगों को बहुत बहुत प्रणाम करता हूं और आप तमाम लोगों को बधाई देता हूं इनसे जुड़े रहने के लिए। धन्यवाद, नमस्कार।
When I first landed in Bombay as a documentary filmmaker and I got my first film, Kabul Express, with Yash Raj Films, it was an unbelievable moment. But not many people know that Kabul Express was supposed to be part of a separate division within Yash Raj, which would not have Yash Chopra Presents in the beginning of the film. And at the end of the film, he came to me and he said, I'm really proud of this film, beta. Is film pe mera naam lagega.
He was giving me a brief on Veer Zara. That was the first time I got the great opportunity to work with him. I remember Pam auntie was there too on that schedule, and Yash uncle, we were filming that song with Shah Rukh and Preeti, and to see him, to just watch him work, and he was so, his entire aura, like it's not just the movies that he made, but also the man that he was, the man that, the essence of the man, he was so, he was just like a father to the entire unit, and he would feed us, like he would feed and feed and feed us the most amazing cuisine of the world.
So introduced me to them, that this is a gentleman here, the type of work that he is doing in the films, anybody in real life will be behind bars. But he has made himself very rich, and this is a great sense of humor he used to have, and we all will remember him with tremendous amount of great memories. Thank you.
I just want to say thank you to Yashji, that he made so many of our lives. I think most of us who are standing here, we'll never forget our journey with him. We'll never forget him, even though he's not amongst us. And he'll always, always, always remain with us. Most beautiful person I've known.
I just want to say thank you, UTV. It's a beautiful idea. And what a wonderful thing to create this Walk of the Stars.
Bollywood Hungama News Network.